These tiny kernels turn into fluffy popcorn in seconds, but the factory process is incredible.
Only clean, perfect kernels move forward, and that's the secret behind great popcorn.
This is where the magic happens. Heat turns hard kernels into fluffy popcorn.
This coating step gives popcorn its flavor. Coater, every piece must be evenly covered. After quality checks, the popcorn is cooled and ready for packaging. This single line packs thousands of popcorn bags every hour.
From tiny kernels to fluffy popcorn, all in just minutes.
In just a few minutes, these kernels become popcorn enjoyed around the world.
And that's how popcorn is made in a factory, from tiny kernels to fluffy snacks in minutes.
And that's how popcorn is made in a factory, from tiny kernels to fluffy snacks in minutes.